Today, well, actually, I've done more than one video today, so finally, something of mine that I ordered came in. And when I say I feel like I should have spent like $80 instead of $20, I feel like I should have spent $80 and then instead of $20. Oh, that's not plastic. That's metal. Alright, I feel different about that now. So this is a marking gauge. I'm not going to just link what I bought on eBay, but effectively you buy these on Banggood or whatever. It's pretty wow. Alright. So really you just have a metal rod that's been machined with a screw in the top, and then you have some measurement stuff, and that is actually rather useful. So I'm going to go out on limb. Ooh, that's actually I'm going to say, using something like this from China, you probably want to get a much better tool as well, or have something else to help slide it out, because so what do we got? We got exactly 2 on this. So if I cut it down to 1 on here, I should be able to get so let's try on a cut edge. And that was, ow! Yeah, definitely don't pull it towards you. Probably can pull it towards you, but careful with what you're doing. Alright, honestly, for what I spend on this, yeah, it's okay. You'll definitely get what you paid for, although this is probably like $5 or $6 on Alibaba or somewhere. AliExpress. Yeah, I'm planning to make something, and this is the type of material that I need to measure it on, so that's, well, for me that was pretty intuitive. I mean, as a hobbyist like myself, that just, yeah, it works. I'll say that much, it works. I mean, this line here isn't even exactly straight. You can see generally it's fine. So, yeah, I have to admit, after doing that, I feel far better about making this purchase. This I was confused about. I was like, well, what the hell? Why? But honestly, that really, yeah, that is really good. As for getting the replacement blades, that I really don't know about. I really don't know about. It's actually heavier than I expected it to be. Thought it was going to be like this light POS, but I also thought this was going to be plastic. But no, it's metal. It's all like metal. It's, well, it works. That's all I can say about it. No, that's my, I'm learning woodworking. Once I've been able to get happy with where I am with the tool wise, and being able to make like the shelves and boxes and stuff that I want. And there's also some electronic stuff, there's also some sewing stuff I want to be able to do with my woodworking. Metalworking is another thing I'd like to move into. as a hobby sort of project, but I'm definitely not going to be able to own a welder. That's going to really sort of bum me out. So it's going to be more taking a piece of steel or aluminium and just working it and cutting holes into it. There's something I want to build with woodworking that also will require a steel sheet, so I'm going to be stuck using a CNC machine that I've got access to at Hackerspace now. It might sound like a negative sort of way, but yeah. I intend to pick myself up a drill press. I'm debating whether or not to try to pick up one second hand, although the shop that I'm going to pick it up from, they are asking way too much. It's missing its eye protection shield. That thing's $40, and you have to admit, if you're going to buy something that's missing something that general sort of important, some people won't consider it to be important. I do. Yeah, I'm going to have to knock the price really down high, so hopefully I'm going to try. Yeah, all I can do is try. Anyway, this was I'd say like a dummy review of a marking gauge, a round marking gauge, or a wheel, or I don't know what they call it, but anyway, something I've been wanting to get for over a year or more now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Yibbity yibbita. I'm getting better at that.